Welcome to day one of Java Motorcycles presents Vroom Drag Meet, co-sponsored by Hero Extreme 160R. Today is day one and the bikes have already started. Here they've got a category that is for scooters for 80cc and above, and that's what's going on right now. It's going to be a spectacular day. The place looks amazing. The weather is fantastic. Let's go and have some fun. The layout of this event is pretty nice. It's at Hosur's airstrip at Taneja Aerospace Aviation Limited, and it is a very nice airstrip. It's super wide compared to the Valley Run, which allows them to be able to use the middle of the strip and the outside of the strip as a way coming back, and it makes racing so much more convenient and so much more efficient. You've also got stalls all over that you can see right in front of me. I am going to be doing some shopping, and I'm also going to be checking out the cars ahead. Check out the B-roll. There are some pretty sick cars and bikes out here. Let's check them out. Yes, so we were just walking around the premises and found this. This is a Volvo S60, but it's a special one thanks to this badge. This is a Polestar. That means it's twin charged. It's got a supercharger and a turbocharger, and it makes around 400 bhp. This is a pretty crazy car and a really rare one, which is very worth of paying some attention to it. So we are chilling trackside, and the competition is hot, the day is hot, the track is hot, the riders' heads are hot, and it is fantastic. But the guys at Vroom Motorsports have given me this cute little pass that says official media, and it also gives me all access anywhere I want. So I'm going to take you guys all the way inside and check in the action inside.
Ladies and gentlemen, right, as one for the world.
So as you can see, right behind me is the beginning of the strip. That's where all the stewards sit and take care of all of the racing. Where I am right now is Park Ferme. All of the riders get ready in the pits, come in, register, and come all the way inside to Park Ferme and get ready for their run. It's quite different compared to track racing, but drag racing is quick, fun, and very involving. All of these riders are super ready, very pumped, and in a headspace where tension is up to 11. All of them are quite tense. I'm quite scared of talking to them. This is how these guys sit here, prepare their bikes for the final time, and then go on to the drag strip, do the job, and come back here and regroup. So right behind me is the podium where all the stewards are sitting, handling the Christmas tree, handling all of the racing, and making sure that it's safe, it's professional, and it is done in an organized manner. It's quite loud. I don't know if you can hear me. This is where the real action happens. Managing the Christmas tree, recording all the drag times, and managing all of the racing numbers happens here. Geekery and a lot of management. These guys are the real deal. This is very big stuff, and also there's a lot of noise because of the two-stroke. I hope that my message is being conveyed. Okay, so I'm sitting quite literally trackside, and this is a type AC fire extinguisher. It's gonna shoot out CO2, and it's very good to put out electrical fires and fires that have been caused by a flammable liquid like petrol. So when we talk about controlled environments, this is the most controlled environment for any type of racing. There's a fire extinguisher every 10 meters on the track, and there is a fire extinguisher truck on call and an ambulance on call for any accidents or any mishaps. When we talk about controlled environments, this is what control is and this is what professional racing is. I would advocate that you please keep everything off of the streets and come to a drag race event and actually see what your car can do. Because if you do it on the streets and some accident happens, these guys can guarantee you that they can save you on track, not off track. So please do keep it off the streets. Come to a drag event like Vroom and do have a lot of fun. And that's a wrap for day one. We have met some great people, had some amazing weather and enjoyed some great racing. I can't wait for tomorrow. As you can see, the party is just about to start and I want to go for it. So see you guys tomorrow. See you guys in the next episode. It's been your boy Bhavneet. Bye.